In the late 80s, the internet wasn't the global monster we know today. Back then, it was called ARPANET, used mostly by universities, military agencies, and computer scientists. Only about 60,000 computers were connected. It was a digital Wild West, no passwords, no encryption, and absolutely no cybersecurity. And then came the worm. On November 2nd, 1988, a 23-year-old grad student named Robert Tappan Morris launched an experiment. He wanted to know how big the internet was, so he created a self-replicating program, what we now call a worm. It was supposed to copy itself, hop from computer to computer, and report back. But there was a flaw in the code. To avoid detection, Morris made the worm copy itself, even if it was already on a machine. The result? Computers were overwhelmed, crashing under the weight of hundreds of worm copies. Email systems shut down, servers went offline, hospitals, universities, even military networks crippled. Within hours, 6,000 plus machines were infected. That's nearly 1 in 10 on the entire internet. IT departments scrambled, networks were unplugged, and panic spread. No one had ever seen anything like it. The FBI was called in. Morris was tracked down and charged under the newly minted Computer Fraud and Abuse Act. In 1990, he became the first person ever convicted under that law. His punishment? A $10,000 fine, community service, and a place in cybersecurity history. The Morris worm wasn't just the first cyber attack. It was a wake-up call. It exposed how fragile our digital world was, and still is. It led to the birth of modern cybersecurity, the creation of emergency response teams, and paved the way for the multi-billion-dollar infosec industry we know today. And here's the kicker. Robert Morris? He went on to become a professor at MIT and co-founded Y Combinator, one of the biggest startup accelerators in the world. From internet chaos to innovation, the worm that nearly broke the web also helped build it. If you found this story wild, just wait until you hear what came next. Follow for more deep dives into the digital world's darkest moments.